This video is about teaching multiplication through the method of short multiplication using place value counters to support understanding. So here we've made 3,482 and we're going to multiply that number by 6. So we're going to start with our units here. So we've got 2 units which we want to multiply by 6. Now I know using my times table knowledge that 2 times 6 is 12. And in 12 we've got 2 units and we've got 1 10. So I'm going to have to carry my 10 over into my tens column. Okay, now I'm going to look at 80. So I've got 8 tens here and I need to multiply my 80 by 6. Now because I've got my place value counters, I can make the link between 8 tens and my 8 times table. So I know that 8 times 6 is 48. However, I wasn't multiplying 8 by 6, it's actually 80 because it's in my tens column. So 80 times 6 must be 10 times bigger, which is 480. Okay, now I had to carry my 10 over from before, so actually in this column now I've got 490. I've got 49 tens. So I'm going to record, I don't need to change my units because I don't have any here. I've got 9 tens and I'm going to carry over 400 into the next column. Okay, so here we've got 400. I'm going to multiply my 400 by 6 now. Now I don't know my 400 times table, but I do know my 4 times table. So 4 times 6 I know is 24. However, it wasn't really 4 times 6, it was 400 times 6. So I need to make this number 100 times bigger. And I know I'm able to do that by using 2 placeholders. So I've got 2,400. But I just need to check, I had to carry over 400 from my tens column. So I've actually got 2,800. So I don't need to change this, I don't need to change this, but I've got 800 now, and I'm going to carry over into my thousands 2,000. So finally I've got 3,000, which I'm going to multiply by 6. So I know my 3 times table, I know that 3 times 6 is 18. However, this digit isn't really 3, it represents 3,000. So I need to make this number 1,000 times bigger. So it now becomes 18,000. And I just need to check, I've got to include another 2,000 as I carried over 2,000 from my hundreds column. So that means that instead of having 18,000, I've actually got 20,000. So looking at what I need to do here, I don't need to change my units, or my tens, or my hundreds, and actually I've got 20,000. So I put my 0 here, and I'm putting my 2 here. So the answer to 3,482 multiplied by 6 is 20,892.